Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the NWP call this evening. NWP, your path to weekly earnings. My name is Rich Simmonds, and I'll be your host and presenter this evening. I just want to read this disclaimer before we go any further. We're not here to give you financial advice. This is just to share information about what we do ourselves. Please be sure you understand what you're putting your money into, and if you're unsure about something, please ask. And then remember that historical results are not a promise of what will happen in the future. We all go through financial challenges in life, and there's different challenges depending where you are on your financial journey. Often as an investor, the investor is looking for long-term growth and financial security, and other people are just looking for a way to earn, maybe save some money, and potentially they can invest at a later stage when they've got some money. But both of these people, whether you're looking for an opportunity or whether you're an investor, you're really looking for the same thing, and that's regular and stable flow of money. Let's have a look at what NWP can offer us. They have a safe plan, and this tries to make you weekly profits. This gives you regular money that can help you pay your bills, and it can also help you to start earning easily. No matter how much you have to start, or maybe you don't have anything to start with, but this can help you build a strong financial base for yourself so that you can have a better future. NWP stands for Network Profits. They're a registered asset company in Ankara, Turkey. That's where their offices are located. NWP is a secure trading platform, meaning that they trade on your behalf, and their objective is to generate you profits on a weekly basis. Importantly, on the normal investment, you can get your capital back whenever you need it. There's two ways they do trading. The first way is through Forex, and that's where they don't use more than 20% of your capital. And the goal here is to make a little bit of profit each week. Now, there's different asset portfolios that you can invest into. The first level is what they call the foundation platform, and that is between $10 invested to $9,999 invested. Now what happens here is that traders look for a target between 5 to 10% per month for you. These profits are paid to you weekly. And then the next level is the growth portfolio, where anything more than $10,000 is invested. And there the target is between 8 to 12% a month. And then there's the elite profile, where you can invest more than $50,000, and there they're looking at a target between 10 to 15% per month. What happens is, as soon as you go from one level to the next, the system automatically calculates your balance, and you'll move from the one portfolio to the next and get the rewards according to how much your total investment is. So there's no need to move your money between portfolios. The system will automatically determine that for you. How have they done so far? Well, so far in this last week, we got 1.28% profit, which gave us a total for the last 4 weeks, which is a month, of 5.1%, and that is within that target of between 5 to 10% for the month. As I mentioned, your capital is always in your control. It stays with the brokers, and they trade for you every week and give you that profit on a Saturday. When you have your money in the account, you leave it there, your capital, your profits are then given to you on a Saturday. When you take money out, the first time you take money out, there's no charge to take your capital, not your profit, the capital. If you take your capital out, there's no charge. After that, if you take your capital out, you'll be charged a small fee of 2%. If we look at the different ways that you can get money into the system, that's with cryptocurrency, using those protocols. That's the Tether on the Ethereum network, the Binance options, and then also Polygon USDT. In terms of withdrawals, all withdrawals are paid out currently in Polygon USDT. Withdrawals of your profits are subject to a 5% fee. Now the minimum withdrawal is $5, But when you take out your $5, your profit, let's say, for instance, you had $5 and you took it out, 5% of that is 25 cents. So therefore, the fee would be 25 cents. You would withdraw $5 and you would receive $4.75 in your crypto wallet. How this all works, if we just summarize the whole system, you put your money in, the traders do the trading for you, they generate you a profit from a Monday to Friday, and then on a Saturday, the profits are taken out separated from the capital, they're sent to a third-party payment gateway where you're able to do an instant withdrawal, provided your minimum is $5. So if you've got $5, you can instantly withdraw that to your crypto wallet. If you want to reinvest, there's no automatic reinvestment in NWP. Let's just make sure that there's no rotation and funny business. Everything and everybody withdraws their profits so that you know that the system is real and everyone's withdrawing their profits every week, and then they decide what they want to do with their profits. If they want to reinvest, they have to do that manually. You put it back physically from your own crypto wallet back into the system and start a new investment. You still keep your same profile, the place where you log in, and you just start a new investment. That's how it works. And the minimum for the investment is $10 to make a new investment. There's a booster promotion that you might have heard of. This is called a triple booster, and this is a once-off thing. It happens for you once. Each member can only take one booster. What happens is you put in $30, NWP puts in another $60 for you, which means that you get an investment of $90. And on that $90 each week, you will earn profits. So instead of you've put in $30, NWP has given you an extra $60. So instead of earning profits on $30, you're now earning profits on $90, which is very nice. And it accelerates the money that comes back to you quicker. Unlike the normal investment, with the booster, you cannot withdraw your capital. Any other investments, you're happy to withdraw your capital. With the booster, because you gain and accelerate in your return, you keep your capital in and you get your capital back as part of the $90 that is paid to you. So that's how the booster works. If you want some extra income, there is referral links in your back office where you can join your friends and family, and in this way you can earn a little bit of extra money. If you want to know how that works, please ask and we will send you the little booklet about the affiliate plan. Please note that if you do want to refer other people, you will need the booster yourself so that you can get the bonuses. When you're ready to start, please ask for this little booklet. It's put together so it can show you how to start, deposit your funds, start the booster, your investment portfolio, and also withdraw. When you need to contact support, use the WhatsApp chat support. That is the quickest way to contact support with NWP. I'm also here. Just contact me if you need some help. I will help you and walk you step by step through the system. And I normally do that, helping people through WhatsApp. We just go onto a call. I'll show you step by step what to do, especially when you're new to your cryptocurrency or something like that. I will show you step by step what to do. Any questions?
Yeah. Rich, when does the booster promotion end?
At the moment, it will continue probably for another month or two at least. The idea with the booster promotion is to help people, who want to experience the system for themselves. So the booster promotion will be there probably, like I say, for at least a month or two more, so that people can get on and experience NWP for themselves.
Okay, and then the profits, your presentation showed 5 to 10% or 8 to 12%, depending on the asset portfolio. Now, under which circumstances is it 5%? or 7% or 8% up to 10%
Well,
in their foundation?
yeah, that's all in the foundation. So, like, it just depends on the results from the week, because this last week it was 1.28%. It can be anywhere. It depends on the weekly trading, but what we've each month has produced at least 5%. That's the history so far. But it can go as high as 10%. It just depends on the results from the trading on a weekly basis. Yeah.
And then how do we contact you personally? Because you have given us the WhatsApp and the email address. And for you, if I want to have a chat with you, how do I contact you?
You can find me on the group. Okay, you should be on the WhatsApp group. If you're not, just ask Victoria or Peter to make sure that you added to the group, and then you'll see my name on the group. Because I post things and I post about these meetings and that, so you should be able to find me.
And then, sorry?
Yes, hello. Yes.
Yeah, the booklet, you spoke about the booklet. How do we get that booklet?
I'll send that to you as soon as I see you on that WhatsApp group. So as soon as I've got your number, I can send that booklet to you. You'll also find it on the group, but I'll make sure I send it to you as soon as you add it to the WhatsApp group as well. All right, everyone. Well, thank you very much. That was the meeting for this evening. Thanks for attending, and we'll see you again on Thursday evening when we have our next presentation. And that's 7 o'clock on Thursday evening.